Today I'm going to show you how to print a bright white underbase, including 5 colors. Coming up. Hey, welcome back everybody. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, so that way you get notifications next time we upload our next video. Today what we're doing is a 6-color print. Essentially we have a white base, navy, red, lemon yellow, somewhat of a golden yellow. It's a little bit in between orange, and then we have orange. What we're going to show you is how we go about doing a print flash print as an underbase to get a really bright white underbase, and how to go about screen printing your top colors. One of the things you want to do is be sure to use a low mesh count. So that way you're not putting down too much ink. Your screens will tend to stick to the top of it. We are using 230 mesh all the way around. We're doing a print flash. What did I say earlier? Print flash print? Well, we're doing a print flash, and then doing the top colors on top of that. The screens don't stick, and the key to that is using a lower mesh count. Without further ado, here's the video.
Follow no wind, getting deeper in the frame. I see your face, I feel the pain, but you chose the path I follow. I'm in love with the way that you hold me when I fall back down, and I'm in love with the words from your voice that put me off the ground now. It's been a long time coming. My breath slows but my heart keeps running. I'm so fed up of the lies that my heart believed in, but staring deep into your eyes makes it all forgiven. I feel my cover will be blown, my fears will grow out of control. Yeah, you still want the path I follow. Put me off the ground now. This love's been a long time coming. My breath's so slow.
hope this video was helpful for you guys. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share our channel, share our content, so that way we can continue to grow our channel and bring content such as this to you. If you're in the market for screen printing supplies or equipment, use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. You'll get $5 off your purchase, and also to kick a little bit of a commission our way, so that way we can continue to bring videos such as these to you guys. Until next time, we'll see you later.